Morning, guys. See, couple of things here. PCE came in cooler than expected. Market rallied back slightly. Look, I mean, look at this candle push. Don't look like much, but it's only coming back here after big sell-off of Meta earnings and Microsoft. Microsoft got rewarded for beat on earnings, revenue. Also, they maintain neutral on their capex, so really not much change. Meta beat on revenue, miss on earnings, and forecasted higher spending for capex, and got punished. I think we're down like 8% on them. They were down almost like 8% when that was announced, and the earnings starting to pull back here a little bit. Found support of 520. Don't know if that's gonna stick with Meta today, but this was taking his medicine. Nvidia unexpected turn. Everything else is coming back in because the PCE data is just as important. Why? Because the Fed's is looking at that data for rate decision, and obviously they got it wrong. Yesterday rate decision is for a brief summary. The Fed paused rate the whole, no hikes. What made it was a hawkish hold, you can say, because they have like three dissenting Fed members. So three members wanted to hike, and that was like I guess the most for a long time. That we had that kind of many dissenting members, Fed members. Um, so yeah, so that was one of the reasons why it was like a hawkish kind of a hold. So so the market kind of really dump and then it pumps and then it dump after hours after earnings. So yeah, we still have some earnings to go through today. Apple, Amazon, Coinbase, some other names, but we're almost done. Almost done with earnings season. Well, at least for the S&P 500 bulk load of it. And the earnings continue to be strong. Um, wow. See MU under 800 now. What was that? 700 bounce back. Here was 780. Intel, damn, almost $79. Bounce back. Now we're up 85.64. Still a big drop from where it was in the hundreds range. I liked it in the under 100. More importantly, EWY, South Korean market, had a nice bounce too. So is ASML back and making a new high for the day so far. We beat yesterday's highs too, so that's a positive there. Some positive. I think PCE is giving this market some breather. We're definitely not out the woods yet though. Definitely not. There's gonna be a lot of turbulence in the market so far. There still will be. If you look at SPX or SPY, we did break trend down. from the big wedge. So we're trying to climb back up here to that trend line, but we really broke down under. Looked at it daily so you can see what I'm talking about. Reset this. For a while we were trying to hold. We were stuck in this pattern here. I think it was like around here. I saw it. The charts are wrong. Yeah. No, you guys get it right. And we finally broke under. And for a while we were stuck in this wedge. Broke under through yesterday's big event. PC giving us a lift, but I don't think that's enough. We need this war to end. The war overhang is just fucking a lot of things up. Apple maybe could save the market. Amazon, but I doubt it. They are still heavy in AI, Apex. I don't think that's gonna slow down. Traded XFA last night on a London session and hit max pain. It sucks. Um, Still live on account. Still have $1,000 drawdown. Need one more day for payout. Felt like was kind of rushing it to get a max payout instead. I was up like 3 9 something, 200 something I think last night, and then I was like, man, thought I had it figured out. I want to go long, but it really just chopped me up so much. So hit tilt mode and hit DLL. Happens, but still alive. So today, no XFA trading. Just going to trade 3 combine, copy trading it. Hopefully, I try and get halfway past. That's the goal today, to halfway past it. Been a bit of a mixed month. One payout, couple blown accounts on combines. Not good. I said probably a wash month, as far as profit goes. I'm okay with that. No substantial event happening after market open. I don't think so. We got the PCE, preservative consumption, all that stuff are out. GDP, all those are out. Trump 1030 free holler announcement. I don't know what that is, but I assume he will also be speaking of or getting questions about Iran. So that could be important. Oil levels dropped slightly. 86 now. We're back down to 83.42. That's oil futures CL. TNX still kind of elevated 4.66. We don't like to see that. Even after cool PCE data came out. But maybe that's all due to war. So that's that. Yeah. All right, that's it. Oh, morning cap. Fine, let's make some money, dude. 2 more days, hit your payout. Let's go. You got this, bro. why do I have two MU chart on? What the fuck? That's not right. Oh yeah, this is messed up. All messed up. Yeah. No, I don't want MU. Want what I want. SMH. There we go. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Three momentum market opens. Wow. Yeah, that's always a delay on YouTube stream, bro. That's normal. That's why you guys pay for that private Discord. You don't get that delay service. And that's why I don't understand how people follow YouTube traders. Like try to follow their entries and stuff. That delay matters so much in futures. What's up, Fall? Yeah, don't try to copy trade off YouTubers. Because the delay. Well, you're not even supposed to anyways, but saying just the delay itself is important. I think you can listen to them and take some things and learn from it, you know? Good morning, Chris. Hope you're doing great. Let's have a wonderful day today. Try to end this month with some positivity. It definitely not like it doesn't look like a strong rally though, right? It just feels like a squeeze here. You know, when you think get squeezed, it just feels like a squeeze here. Um, it might be shocking, but if it opens up and just like big candle down, change the story so fast. And here we are. Market opens. I don't know. We could possibly test the A28,000 again, and then see where we go from there. That'd be kind of I guess, want to say a positive for the markets, but I don't know, man. It's still weak. It's still, the AI story is still there, obviously because of capex spending. But investors just like doesn't have an appetite for it because it's such momentum down. And since capex up, you would expect memory chips and semi continue to rally because it's still in demand, right? I mean, hyperscale is still spending. A lot of things doesn't really add up. The markets just need to see the war end really, or some kind of positive development from the damn war. Give it something, give it a reason to start rallying because already the earnings season so far has been great. Companies are beating, things are looking peachy. Oh my. Yeah, Microsoft 12%. Yeah, Microsoft is having a great day. Their earning was good, like I said, and the capex was tame. The market rewarded. Nvidia's giving back its gains. There's Tesla. So it's Google. That's fast. It's a medge. Let's see. Near previous day high, rejecting now. XOK, previous month high, previous month low, and previous day high. Around there, where we're kind of rejecting too. You know, a lot of rejection right here. What's up, Oxy? Good morning, brother. Okay. Okay, some information. S&P 500 earnings report update as of July 28th here. Report earnings progress 37% out of S&P 500 has reported. So overall results here is 88% beating earnings. Only 12% have missed earnings. The beat surprise is about 35%. Technology sector, 20 of 74 companies reported 90% beat earnings. That's technology right there. 10% missed earnings. Financial sector, 46 of 76 reported earnings, 87% beat, 13% missed. So, like I said, the earnings story has been good. That's why people invest, right? We invest in companies to see a return. The companies are delivering. So why is the market still tanking? Mainly because of a certain situation turbulence from war. Also some uncertainty from the feds. Once all that cleared out, at least if one of those issues could clear up, the market's going to rally back and rally back hard, maybe make new all-time highs. I think they have about another 2 weeks for the market to find its bottom. What a pretty flat open now. A flat open. That's an orbit. So tight coil. Pretty tight open. I can't believe that's a 5 minute orb. That is super tight open. Wow. There is upside. If there is upside, aim for 28 100. The downside is much greater. We got break or below break of structure. We can see that 27 400 again. I'm all the way down here, but you should. I think 27 670, 27 690 ish. If that breaks, yeah, definitely we can revisit that low, that London low. You leaning long right now? I right now not so much for me yet. Maybe I think if there is a long, I think it's probably just a liquidity grab before it takes it back down. I think market's like a little bit of pause because the PCE data came in pretty cool, and the market like that. But and then we also have Apple and a couple earnings, Apple and Amazon earnings to deal with after the bell. Yeah, it's having a hard time trying to rally here though. Look at all those wicks. Oh my god, it's a mess. It is a mess trying to figure this out right now. We gotta wait for a clear trend. It's just barcoding right now, dude. Yeah, choppy. Just relax. Wait for some kind of trend, some kind of clear in action. We don't have to be the first one to bite, you know. The market reward the patience. Let's see what Spy is doing though. I mean, why is Spy doing the same thing? It is. It barcoding here. I feel like we're trading within the golden zone, or at least on Spy. Yeah, we are within the golden zone exactly. So that's a 50% retracement from the low. Not so much for QQQ though. QQQ has a stronger rally from peaks of high to low, pre-market low, London low. It's above the 51 retracement. So a little bit of a mix bag here. Oh, we popped out. We peaked out with a strong candle this time. Okay, I like that. Did did they finally decide here that they're gonna go long? Let's see what happened there. Yeah, don't want to get faked out, so maybe pull back retest, and see if we can hold this orb high. Then we can enter long. What- Oh yeah, looking better though. Definitely a good risk to reward here. Oh man, it's pumping. Now I feel like I'm too late for the entry, so I want to see a pullback. Again, nice pullback. I'll go in long. Because if I were to enter here, my stop is gonna be down here way too far of a stop. Yeah, strong candle. SMH XOK.
It's a very strong candle.
Yeah, strong candle of those looking good for the upside. I did miss it. I mean, was hoping for a little pullback for get entry, but this thing is going without us right now.
I took a long, but I couldn't have a faith on it. But then
Are you still holding it?
no, I
It,
cut it out
it cut out
because I
fast.
couldn't have.
Ah,
Yeah,
you gotta hold it, buddy. You gotta have a target. Don't be fearful. Yeah, there's gonna be a nice target up here, back at 28,000 right here. It's trying to hold it. So that's looking great. That it's trying to hold 28,000. Let's see. We're just like barely up above it. Yeah, so far so good. Like almost one and two too. That's that's great. Wow, missed a good one there. Yeah, you gonna get a one or two right here. Buy broke out of the golden zone too. That's positive. SMH testing the previous day high here. XOK broke out that previous day high. and the previous month low. Oh, you blew the half cap one. You don't have a DLL on it, Tron? Get those DLL accounts, bro. I mean, it will save you. They always give you a second chance to fight, bro. I honestly like them now. I was shitting on them before, but now I'm like, it's cool. Yeah, you save $10 too for doing that, and it does save you. Give you a second chance all the time. Oh my god, smashed it. Yeah, it would have smashed TP for at least 1 or 2. Let's see if it my full target would have been up 28,100 here if I went long on that candle. This candle was definitely a sign to go long. Which is I was too hesitant to take it because I was thinking maybe pull back, then I take it. But there we go. Should just
I wish mine was still hold.
yeah, it should. What? Why was the reason why you did not hold though? I didn't get it because there was no
But
reason.
I was waiting for you.
Oh, wait for me? No, don't do that. Sometimes in trading, that's why I'm saying you got to learn how to do your own trading, your own tuition. Like if I'm thinking long and I missed it, if you feel like you want long too, go for it. You gotta figure yourself as a trader, Cam. You gotta figure yourself out. That's a missed opportunity there, right here. Target, boom. See, because I missed it, I can't chase it. You know, it sucks, but it's okay. At least I know that my idea was correct here. I wasn't gonna go long here and risk to stop down here. That's too far of a stop. Really strong push. Just like all green candle for 1 minute, all green. No pullback from this rally yet. That's crazy. Buy is up 1%. QQQ is up 2.6%, and Q is up 2.5%. That close. You wouldn't think we end up opening positive, right? After what, yeah, how we ended yesterday, how we closed yesterday, but here we are, uh, taking everything back. Plus some. Wow, what a smash TP. Fuck. That stings. Smashed it. All right, this is where we might see a reflection point, right? Are we still pushing up higher? We are. All right. There's next key level is that weekly low that's has been a couple of rejection there. So why don't we come up there and then pull back? Because now we are reaching that territory where it's like that that range, that negative pressure range where things can pull back here. Definitely was a good one there. Okay. Pull back. Pull back. Give me a minute. Turn my stream back on. There we go. Ooh, nice pullback. There's some little bit of meat left if we long here off that little tiny pullback, but I don't know. Crucial area though. There's a lot of sellers up here. I'll hold back. Ah. Oh, we'll hold back. Damn, did anybody on YouTube catch that long? Chris, did you catch it? Oxy, you caught that long? Oh my god. That's a nice long. Yeah. I know. Feel like we can start shorting soon. It's still holding on to the 9 MA, so that's kind of still strong. But once that gives it up, I'll start to looking possible short, especially if it start losing 28.049, so 28.50 coming down around here. If we see more weakness, I'll look too short. I'm gonna ignore everything within here. Within here, I will probably ignore it. Once it breaks it, then I'll start to look for short. Caught a little bit, Chris. That's good. Little bit is better than nothing. Oh, I know T caught that one. Yeah, he was long bias. He told me coming in. Looking at long, I was too, but just couldn't quite get an entry. Nvidia is definitely trying to make a new high for the day. Previous day high is at 197. We're 195.42 now. We're breaking up, so giving markets a lift here. Remember, Nvidia still have to report earnings, so pay attention to their earnings. I think theirs like next month. They have their little own island when it comes to earning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Previous the high definitely. That's what I was. This is the target for previous the high, I believe. And they got weekly low. No, I think weekly low was previous the high. It was near here. I know it was somewhere near there. Right here, the 1 hour wick. So I think this is probably previous the high. And then the weekly low is coming up there too. That pivot. I'm definitely more cautious up here. There's no way I'm chasing long here. For sure. If I didn't try chasing it here, there's no way I'm chasing it here. Gonna watch it sail away. Golly, it could have been a super early day. Oh my god. Ah. Oops. Off again. Wow, 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 wow. Look strong, man. Squeeze. What a strong squeeze. I know, T. I know. Full TP hit. I know. You looking good, bro. I wanted to. I wanted too long to, man. I missed it. Still not really sure. QQQ up 3%. That's strong for today. You know, I'm thinking possibly reversal soon. We'll have to see because there is some sellers up there. Almost guaranteed some kind of type of pullback though. But damn, do I really want to challenge it here? This is the weekly low we're approaching. I think everyone's traders looking at the same thing, you know. Spy is nowhere near there though, so Spy has room up if it wants to. Spy is definitely the MES or ES. Tech is definitely pushing. Mm-hmm. I don't know. This could be it here. This could be it here. I'm gonna go for it. Short.
Order filled.
And I'll set my stop at 185. I'm aiming down for it's back to the 800, 28,000. See if we can retest that. I'm in short. 127. My entry. I have a tight stop at 185. Let's see if this is it. Market pullback. Yeah, I'm seeing some selling from Nvidia now. SMH, XOK, um, like almost like a top pattern. So yeah, damn, new XFA, nice, 700. Good shit. All right, the short looking decent here with that move. I kind of want like with my full 1500. That's the goal today, right? That's what my goal today was. Halfway past today. Let's get a strong pullback. All right, here we go. It's decent so far. Our 5 cons. Up one's like 400. See, you can go down lower. I want to see a 28050 area. I want to see this crack here. Good job, Tron. Up 700 for the day. Let's go. On an XFA? Hell yeah. Yeah, big candle down for XLK. Big candle for SMH. A 5 minute candle. Sell candles. A very decent short. And it's all you know what to do. I'm gonna trail my stops lightly, not break even yet. I mean, you could if you want to, but now you know it's kind of tight, right? Ugh, kind of asking to get break even. Give a little bit of reader room here. $600 now. Yeah, I'm not excited about that. I'm gonna go break even here. Not excited about that candle here. Let's see it. Come on, get a big negative close here. Undecision. We're about to make an EMA cross also. We're underneath that 21 now. No man, looking like a bounce here. Yeah, I might break even. I can always re-enter if I see short again. What a fight. Long's trying to pick it up here. Seller's trying to pick it down. Right here. This is where they're trying to pick it up. Seller's trying to pick it back down. The pin here right now. Let's see who wins the fight. Skibbity toilet it. Come on. You know what to do. Flush it. No.
Order filled.
Yeah, wake me out. Wake me out. I'm gonna stop out. Damn it. The buy came back in. Still leaning short, but let me see how strong the buyers are. Can they pick the thing right back up? Or will it just fade?
Order filled.
I'll take that. I'll take a chance again. Doesn't look as a strong bounce. Hey, okay. Maybe we should respect it. Okay.
Order filled.
Gonna have to respect that. Hmm. Toilet power was weak. Damn. A little bit indecision area here. I can see this like fail attempt and then come straight back down though. Like I can really picture that. Starting to look like it, like a fail attempt to push back down.
Order filled.
All right, give a second chance to short here. Back in that short, guys. Look at that fail attempt and it just shorted. Don't chop here though. My ad zone will be break over here. I see. I said don't chop, and look here we are. We chopping. My goodness, what did I get myself into this now? Don't chop here. Just take it back down. Golly, that was ugly. This is ugly price action right now. That's the worst, man. You get into a chop zone. My God. You know what? I'm gonna just give this a wide stop. I'm committed to this short here. If it's stopping out, lock me out for the day. I'm committed to this short. Oh no. What what did Ralphie say? Yes, I am. I'm in danger. Oh no, it's gonna hunt for that weekly high back. I exit here.
Order filled.
Oh, gotta exit there. Damn it. Can't hold that. That just can't hold it. But I don't think I can recover from this. I got 100 depth drawdown. I'm taking miracle like a damn near perfect entry. Jeez, SMH trying to make new highs. Nvidia trying to test that previous high here. Oh, that one pullback just got bought back up. .5 minutes. 5 minutes doing like that. Clean long, terrible short. Got chopped up. Fuck. Ah, man, I guess we just gotta wait for that weekly low to get tested. Looking like a double top right here.
Still looks strong.
Yeah. Yep. No, I see 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Everything looks strong. There's some order block up here. Approaching it, 30 minutes. But we're like kind of double topping right now. A lot of wicks up here in 1 minute, just wicking. I know it could like just burst through, like an attempt to break out, and then just fades. That liquidity grab real quick, and then just fades. Trying waiting for that short too. I mean, it feels like it's coming, but gotta really time it. The hard part is like knowing when to knowing when to get in. When you look at it, we got the long, the pullback, and then the continuation here, but it just feels top, right? You can just tell like it's topping here. Doesn't have the same feel as this push, its original push up. Yeah, everything's just like small wicks now. Feel like the losing momentum. I'm gonna check the momentum oscillator here. Yeah, the momentum is really weak here. That's on even on the 1 minute. Let's see the 5 minute momentum. 5 momentum is looking strong with the squeeze still left, but yeah, 5 minutes strong. 3 minute here, 2 minutes looking weaker. 1 minute definitely looking weaker. Yeah, here's go. There we go. Strong candle. Here's the attempt for that weekly low here. That last push I think it wants to do. Bam. Wow. Strong. Strong push out of that. That's some volume to it too. That 1 minute. Let's see how much volume. That's very decent. All right, broke out the weekly low with strong volume. With a strong volume follow through too. Wow. Damn it. All right, the next target will look likely be 28,500. If it can sustain and hold a weekly low here. And looks like it could. Technology is taking a run right now. Even Tesla's having a good day. SpaceX. MU back at 861. Intel $93. Strong rally. But D ran back up to $50. Nice. Good for my portfolio. Sucks for my combine. Yeah. This thing has potential, man. Look at that daily candle. My goodness. Yeah, it has a lot of room back to the 28,500 pivot area here. It has room. The market got strong momentum. Short definitely failed here. A slight pullback and it continues to rally. I think it's one of those days with long till you're wrong. Remember that T? Remember that Tron? Those days were just long till you're wrong. My goodness. Oh shit. Fuck it. I'm gonna take this short here.
Order filled.
One con. Let's see. Give me some room. See if we can build this back momentum. I don't have much drawdown. That's why it's only one con for DLL. Today might be a good day. Just inverse me. Inverse my trade, dude. I'm short, go long. We got a weekly low retest and then just strong kind of back up here. I don't like my short anymore, but I'm in it to win it. This isn't funny. Lucas, it is what it is, man. You know, you have your days where market you can't really read the market well. Today is the day. Missed a long opportunity and it just my short thesis is not doing well. Market seems like it continue to like pump, squeezing out to new highs. We'll see. Still waiting for the bigger pullback. Hasn't happened yet, which is strange. What are you doing? Yeah, and Vita's finally selling off here, but we need more out of that though. That's a good start. That's a good start, but SMH XK is still looking very much bullish. Like we need a strong sell candle again, like last time. A 5 minute. Man, where's all the sellers at? Oh my God. Oh, they're gone. They don't want to short today, huh? Fuck. Not looking good, guys. Raise here, 15-minute gap. 18300. Possible. Mm-hmm. Short, not looking good. They're just trying to push higher. Watching paint dry right now. Oh, can it finally do it for us? Are we gonna get lucky here? Are we gonna get lucky here? I need some luck today.
Order filled.
Okay. In for 2 cons here. Keep adding to it. Break it down. Man, I hope this is the top. Please be the top and just send it. Bring it back within range.
Order filled.
Yeah, 3 cons now. All right. Don't have much room here. We need to continue selling. I'm alive, Lucas. Survival mode right now. Survival mode. Very close. Very close. Okay. I can't sustain a big pullback though. I mean, I just can't. I need strong continuation now. Oh, and like that. Did the buyer finally got tired? Did they finally get tired?
Order filled.
Okay, 4 cons here. And I know. I cannot sustain the pullback. Yeah, I could still be right and lose here because of drawdown. So that's what it is. Didn't have a lot to work with, only 100. I need a lot of luck in my favor for this for this to work out for me. Like that move right here, continue down. Come on. 200 bucks here. A decent move, right? No matter how much con you're in, that's a good move. Oh my goodness. Can I get a little bit more? Can I get a little bit more? Oh my goodness. Let's go. Okay. You passed me, Val. Good shit. Oh, fuck. This short was good. Damn. Okay. I'll trail a little tighter there. Fuck it. Get some size off. Get myself out of the clear. You know. Almost TP 600. Fuck it.
Order filled.
All right. Trim 2 there. A little breathing room there. Can't believe I got that much. Oh god. That's hilarious. I think we finally gonna get that full drop though. Let's go, Lucas! Fuck. That was close, Lucas. Very close. Glad you passed, buddy. Oh my god. Hey, I'm now only down $666. I can't believe I survived that short. Damn it. I have $100 drawdown left. I got a little bit better, little breathing room now. 400 draw now. Okay, I can work with that. Come on. There's more room down here. You can still short it. You can still short it. Yeah. Come down test at 28,100. Oh shit, Tron, $400. Let's go, Tron, XFA. Killing it, bro. Nice one. I'm guessing you short with me, Tron. Did you short there too? Yeah. Hell yeah, baby. Oh my god, the Discord is making money. I love it. I love it. I'm like happy for you guys. It's all paying off, man. You know? All paying off. Hell yeah, look at that, baby. Oh shit. 1 to 3. Let's go. Let's go, Tron. There's some more. They're still going. Still going. Yeah. Let's go. Show me the money. You got stopped. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. Money's money, man. You got stopped out. Oh God, there we go. Oh, look at that. That's 1 to 3, bro. We caught more than 1 to 3. Risk to reward. That's crazy. That's the strongest pullback we ever caught so far. Fuck. What a move. 2 cons left. Almost like 300. I wish I had all 4 left, but you know, it is what it is. Can't complain. I was down a lot. I trim here a little bit here, but this thing has room. Good. I really should just tighten it up. 150 here. So close to TP that I think I'm just gonna tighten it up. 150 here. Okay. I'm gonna trim one more.
Order filled.
TP hit, so I trim one more, and I'm trying to see if I can scale the rest down further, leaving runners. This is one way for me to leave runners. Right when I close the TP, if I feel like it has more room down, I'll take one size off and leave the one runner at the candle top, and see if we can get the maximum run of this last candle here. Oh man, I got like $400 back from that trade. Nice. Nice. What a short. Fuck. Oh my goodness. I wish I had more cons in here. Just keep going, bro. That was a crazy comeback. $100 to work with, dude. Draw down. That was crazy. Oh my god. You know, there's a lot of luck there involved too. Like I was aggressively trying to add into that short, and I didn't get big pullback to stop me out. You know. So yeah. Just thank God it worked the way it did. Eesh. Here we go. Just look at the runner. The runner's looking well. See, that's what I mean. Just try having runners here. Let's have runners here. It looks like a strong pullback here. Let it run some more, and you just trail it. Trail the runner. Try to run the tight. This is how you maximize the most out of your moves, right? Leaving runners. Even if it's one con, who cares? Extra money is extra money. You could have made 1K there. Hey, it is what it is. Trying 400 still good, bro. Can't be greedy, man. You know, you follow your rules. Sometimes it looks like this. Sometimes, other times it like reverse back. Like, oh, I could have lost all that back. You know, you never know, man. But next time, leave running, bro. Just leave running next time, like me. When you're really close to your TP, trim it down to one runner left, and okay, that way you don't feel bad at all when it keeps running. You just keep feeling like, okay, you feel like you caught something, like the most of it. Thanks, Chris. Yeah, I mean, I hope some of you guys caught that short too. It was, wasn't the easiest session to trade at all whatsoever, man. Because market kept going up, 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 up. You just wondering when will it just sell back off. We know the market wanted to sell off afterwards. I did not chase the upside. I kept looking for shorts, and here we go. We break on this level too. Oh my God, we got more room down. We got more room down. That's the level I want to see crack. It cracked that level. I think we see more downside here. That's a pivot level. This is where buyer came in, step in. So if they fail to step in here, we see lower. Yeah. Tight stuff could be helpful at times, but it could also hurt you at times, right? But yeah, you can never go wrong with making $400 a day in XFA. Just I'm having, base hit. It's gonna add up. It's cool. Missed $1,000 play. Plenty of times where I missed that bigger move because I get stopped out early. There's plenty of time that happens, but you know what? In a day, I look at the numbers. I'm like, I'm happy. I made like $300. Yeah. Both account, you're up like 1.1K on XFA. Yeah, that's a good day, man. That's somebody's week of paycheck that you just made. So be blessed. You gotta look at a different perspective, right? Okay, right here to pull back. Expecting buyers here. I think I'm gonna take profit here because I'm expecting buyers to come in
Order
anyways.
filled.
I failed to continue here. Buyer came in that pivot level. I'm okay with exiting there as a full stop. That's a one. Look at that shit. A one of oh no, oh my god. I think we're up higher, so at least a 1 to 3. Yeah, for sure a 1 to 3 move. That was a strong move down. We caught that. And damn, negative $324. Fuck, I'll take that. Take that any day. Yeah. 5 cons is a little bit heavy, Tron. I'm not gonna lie to you. But if you have a tight stop, then it's fine. But it's just harder to trade that way. Having such a tight stop, you have to nail your entry, right? Like really nail it. And then when you get your move, you get really nervous because you're like, up 200-300 now, and should I take profit or should I let trade? But you have a smaller size, you're willing to let them run some more, and you have a higher stop. So like my sweet spot is usually like 3 cons in XFA because I could manage my risk better that way and give the market room to make its bigger move. You see what I'm trying to say? With a starting with 5 cons seems exciting, but because you just kind of scalp that early, you don't need much of a point, right? Well, like 10, 15 points, and you're good. But then you really tighten things up, and you miss the bigger move. Because how much 10, 15 point can give you with 5 cons? You're looking at 300-400 easy, right? Because of that, you might miss out the bigger move. If you change your P&L to just points, maybe you look at things different perspective and not the amount of money, and that maybe change your psychology to hold things longer. I think some professional trader does that too. They don't look at the money amount; they look at the points amount. So the psychological thinkings change a little bit. when you see a dollar amount, you get anxious and nervous about losing it or keeping it. You know. Wow, here we go. We pull back and we're knifing down some more. This is the level I want to see break, and it's doing it right now. I think I want to enter again.
Order filled.
Short. Let's see if we can bring it down some more. 3 cons here. Pretty aggressive. 3 cons, like I said. That's usually what I enter in with. And I can manage my risk pretty well here. My stops there. Man, 200 is your risk. It's really hard for 5 con, Sean. And not gonna lie to you, dude. That's tight stop. I don't know how you do it. You very like rarely give that room to have margin of error with a $200 stop. Congrats if you know how to manage that risk. That shit's hard to do. But maybe with like 1 con you can do 200 stops, but I'm only entering this continuation here because that's pivot level I want to see short, and they're right under it again with a strong golfing candle. So I think there will be continuation down here. Now, if it pull back again, I'm wrong. Fine, fuck it. You know, I'm wrong. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, I'm wrong.
Order filled.
Gladly exit there. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna change it. That level's not being respected anymore. I'll leave it here. Is that the 50% pullback though? From where we rally? Right into that golden zone bounce. Okay. What else we can check? VWAP? No, we're nowhere close to VWAP. Nowhere close. 21 EMA. Retest and then short. Possible here? We test it out. You know, because they didn't want to short here. Why would they want to short here? Yeah, there's definitely still some short left. I want to see a different pullback here. I might short back into this golden zone. On the recent short to the low. I want to see it bounce back up here. We look too short again. No, there's a lot of things on the chart. We'll get rid of it.
Order filled.
Okay. Get back into that. Yeah, I'm in short again. I'm in short again. One more time. I think it pulled back to the golden zone. Slight rejection here. I think we come down further. That's not exciting. Oh no. Oh damn, that's too strong.
Order filled.
Well, damn it. Gave it a try. That was too strong. Well, I try. Can't have those pullbacks like that. 3 cons. 300 adds up. Ooh, do not. Now I really don't have no room to work with. Max DLO here.
Order filled.
Let's see. Can I pull a rabbit out of the hat here? Fuck, I should have waited for that golden zone. I knew it. That damn it.
Order filled.
Should have waited for that golden zone. Right into that golden zone. Pull the trigger too early. Hey, I could probably pull this out again. Oh my goodness. That'd be so funny.
Order filled.
Fucking hammer it. 3 cards now. Wow. Really doing it, am I? What the heck? You know what? Give it room. Give it room. Give it room this time. Give it room this time. Don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. Keep going. Stop me out, please. Oh, wow. Damn, Tron. That's a good amount. 300 back. Lucas, I'm still in it. Can you believe that? Slightly a little nervous here, though. But if it can break underneath that 28,000, I think we have room down. It's trying to hold here, though. Shit. Fuck. I don't know. I think I should start trimming, though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I trimmed 2 here. Feel a little safer. If it comes back crashing down, then I'll add back into it. Stop sell here. Stop sell. Stop sell. I'll be more aggressive. Why didn't I trade? Oh, because I hit my DLL on the London market, so I couldn't trade fund it. I was down $1,000. Yeah, yeah. It's still not. It's not blown, but still got $1,000 balance left on it. Looking to trade it Friday for sure. Maybe take a big swing for the fences. Gee, we cut. That's a nice short again. That's a nice short. That's a nice short again. Brought the count back up a little bit. Damn, $20, and I would have been out, still alive. Man, I am definitely fighting it today. I'm pushing my luck. Yeah, I'm pushing my luck today for sure. I might break even now though. Yeah, it is holding here. 28,000 is definitely trying to hold here. Oh, is it really? Wow. Coincidence maybe?
Order filled.
Okay. I got stopped out there. But it was cool. Decent move. Still looking to short though. Let's see if that's the true move. I'm coming back in one con again and Look to add down there. And this is the longest I ever streamed. I'm tired. I am definitely tired. I never really trade this long. I don't know how Fong does it. I don't know how you stay up all day trading. Well, crazy bastard. Just watching the chart here just hurts my brain. Too much thinking right now. That's why I love those early days where you get in, make your move, make your money, and then done. Shut the screen off, man. Just enjoy the day. I hate the grind day where you're negative and try to grind it back. Oh my god, it's so stressful. Okay, I think I want to be back in short now again.
Order filled.
One con would have my stop there. Stops at 28,079. Shorts at 28,029. So risking about $100 here. I want to take it back to the orb high here. I want to see it break 28,000 and then see the floods. Short comes in. You know what? I'll be happy with break even today. I'll probably shut it down. Let's try again tomorrow. If I could break even today, it's break even today. We're nearing that lunchtime hour anyway. I'm tired. Just exhausted, man. Mentally exhausted. Oh, come on. Give me a last short here. I'm gonna exit here.
Order filled.
Not liking it. Give it a lot of time for it to come back down. It didn't, so check it out. Movement stop still high. It's definitely holding here, huh? Definitely holding here. 28,000. Clearly holding here underneath this pivot area. Doesn't want to give up. Man, how you guys doing? How you doing, Chris? Making money yet? Done for the day? Still trading? Ray, what about you, buddy? What are you guys looking at? Short, long? Tell me.
Trump took for $600 from my pocket.
You up or down? Sorry?
Down.
You're down 600? Welcome to welcome to the party.
Order filled.
All right, back in short here. How my stop? 102. We trigger my stop. I'm at my sell order. Like I'm still looking for this at 28,000 to break. I think once that happens, I think we see flush, right? Because they're trying to hold 28,000. So we get that 28,000 break. We go see it flush. And then I want to see it back down to 27,894 for my TP. That's the orb high. Retest. So it's probably gonna be my last trade. I'll try to maximize it. I'm really getting tired. Oh why? Let's just do it. Oh, good job, Chris. Made 500. All done. Man, that's a cool. That's a cool, nice chump change there. Oh, by the way, Tron, lock your account up. Yeah, just lock your account when you're up like that. Don't. There's no need. Once you lock your account up, it's just like take away the urge. You no longer have it because you know you can't. You can't come back and trade. So lock your account up, man. Lock those gains. Oh shit, Devin is on. What's up, Dev? Been a while, buddy.
Yo, what's good? Getting a payout either tonight or tomorrow.
Congrats, man. You've been doing really well. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Are you still doing live?
No,
Order filled.
About $200 to put the 10,000.
Okay.
I mostly trade prop firms.
Prop firm back and prop firm. Okay. Yeah, I remember you used to be like, fuck prop firm, all about live. Things has surely changed, huh?
Yeah, too much bills to be paid. Can't trade live right now.
Yeah, I mean that's the great thing about prop firm. You get that leverage.
Very true. It's
Yeah.
just that you gotta play by their
Yeah.
the rules.
Yep. Just gotta play that game, their rules, which is also rigged against you. But it is what it is, man.
Yeah, I'm excited. Once I get this payout, I'm gonna buy two daily payouts on Lucid. They just released a new account where you can get paid daily.
Oh, from Lucid. Okay,
Yeah,
they're trying to be like take profit something profit where they just daily payout too.
yeah. My Fund Futures does the same thing.
Oh, my friend future
But
does now too. Oh shit, I didn't know
yeah,
that.
yeah,
Yeah.
but they're also better than take profit because you can 2 days instead of having to trade 5 days.
Why? Okay. Yeah, that's cool. I've always stuck to Top Steps and Tradeify. I've done some my friend future too, but I don't know. I'm just gonna take it easy for now.
Oh no, don't trade 25 accounts. You're doing on this because they're cheaper. Do it on Lucid because the profit target is actually small.
Okay.
Because to pass the you have to make 1,500, on any other prop firm.
Yeah,
But for Lucid, they actually make it a lot smaller. So instead of making 1,500, you just make 1,200. You would pass that.
I got you. Yeah, I seen you play a lot of Lucid 25 accounts. Seems seems like a popular account size.
Yeah, because I would just fall port the account. We make 1,200.
Yeah, I know. I know you full port, bro. I seen the way
Hey
you
man,
trade.
I made over 8 grand.
I know. Yeah, like I said, if it works, it works. So don't change it. So whatever works for you, bro. I just say for some people it doesn't. It's hard to handle that kind of risk because especially if you start blowing account after account and after an account. But if you're making profit and you have that profit cushion to allow you to take that kind of risk, it's a different story, right? Like you're up like at least 9K or something like that right now. So you're willing to risk easily just YOLOing those accounts you pass. Like I've been through that phase in my trading career where I've made so much money too that I'm like I'm okay to just YOLO try to pass these accounts fast to go back to XFA. I've been there, but also the setback is like we will have like those bad months where nothing. You're just stuck in the eval and keep blowing and blowing up, and then next thing you know, you're like down $5,000 just buying eval. So there is a downside to that style of trading.
Yeah, that's why I stopped trading because back then when they didn't have Bitcoin stuff yet, they
Mm-hmm.
didn't have Lucid. I mean, step. So
Yeah,
those 50K counts were actually very difficult for me to pass. And I would probably blow like 10 eval a day.
yeah,
But then ever since I found out there's 25K, they were easy to pass. So
yeah.
it works for me. Yeah.
That's true. That's true. That's good. I mean, I think Topstep tried to do something like similar 25K count, but it never stuck. They were like testing it out.
Yeah, because Costa is greedy. They don't
Yeah,
like to lose money because they know that if they make these 25K accounts, people like me.
yeah, that's true too. They started like they tested out like a 250K account for $500, and I think, and it sold out quick, and then they stopped it, took it out. I don't know why. I don't know. They were just testing a whole bunch of accounts out to see what I guess what kind of reaction to get from their customer.
Yeah, I feel like more people that my method, I think they're gonna get rid of 5K accounts because they're gonna be losing a lot of money if
Yeah.
everybody does 5.
Well, a lot of those other platforms they have strict micro scalping rules. So Lucy doesn't have that. I think that's where you getting away with it. But a lot of other platform, you have to hold within like I think 10 seconds or something or like that. I forgot, but there's a certain time frame you gotta hold.
Yeah, that's why you do micros.
Yeah.
Like, let's say you make a big win for 10 seconds on NQ, like regular E-mini contracts.
Mhm.
Then you just switch back to micros. You just enter like a stupid trade and you hold it for like 20 seconds. Just doing like 1 or 2 micros, and then it will still count.
Oh, really? That's how it works like that. I didn't know that.
Yeah, like for example, let's say I make $100 on regular NQ contracts
Mhm.
within like under 10 seconds. Then I'll just go to micros, downsize, enter a trade. It's micros, so it's gonna be smaller. You have to go a little bit longer. It's gonna be over 10 seconds. I'll be up $100 and get out of the trade.
So they'll combine those two trades and count towards you holding it longer. Is that what I'm saying? I'm hearing.
Yeah, they just have to see a record of you holding a trade more than 10 seconds. It doesn't have
Ah,
to be every trade that's more than 10 seconds. They
I
just need to at least see one trade a day that's more than 10 seconds, if you understand that.
yeah, I understand now. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That's interesting. You still trading into like what the seconds, right? Was it 30 seconds? What time frame you trading now?
I can only do that on the TradeVet broker, but right now I'm trading on TradeView, so I'm just using one.
Oh yeah, the trading view they don't have that, do they? They do, but I think it's in like a pro account or something. They have 1
No,
seconds.
you have to pay for it.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
not
yeah.
paying for TradingView.
You have to pay for it. That's right. Yeah, because I have it. I have 1 second. How about the ticks? Ticks is pretty good too. But maybe you have to
Oh
pay for
yeah,
that.
you got to pay for that too.
Oh,
on
really?
TradingView.
Damn.
Yeah.
They try to squeeze every penny out of that people.
Wait, are you trading the orb right now?
No. Just price action. I'm waiting for the 28,000 to crack. I think because it's been holding support. So I'm looking at short. I've been shorting. Got some great shorts and some bad shorts in. My account was really down. So trying to recover here before I hit DLL was like $1,000. Just feel like the market could give back a little bit more. Crack under 28,000 and see it flush back to the orb high. Trend
Oh,
down,
okay.
still intact. Yeah. I didn't realize that, but I actually got that move and it add one more contract. So I'm in 2 cons now. I was busy talking to you. I didn't realize that. So my initial entry was here. Got that bit of short. I had another ad, and that ad where the support is at. It came right back up. Damn it. Hopefully, respect this trend. It's just keep going down some more. I don't have much of a stop left though. Let's see, right there, that would be DLL for me. Oh yeah, it's gonna hit it. It can't stay in this kind of pullback.
Order filled.
Ah, yeah. Hit it. All right, well, I try today. Gonna try again tomorrow. Hit DLL max. Can't do anything about it. That 28,000 level holding pretty strong here. So if you continue to trade, just look for that to crack, maybe crack under, and then see flush. If not, this is it's holding pretty well for the day. A lot of strong support here. Major level plus 15-minute orb. Correct, man. All right, YouTube, all done. See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully for a better day. Peace. See you, Devin.
Yep. See you, man.
Oh, we gotta stop the stream.